Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain Data by eToro mobile app review to see if it's using. So to get started with a quick in-depth review about Data by eToro. Data by eToro is a clean and a powerful investment taking app that helps you stay on top of your stock, cryptos, ETFs and more all in one place. It supports sync with multiple wallet and broker account, deliver a real-time update with real data of Pro, and gives details insight into your portfolio's performance, allocation, and risk. Many users love its sleek design and easy to use interface, but it's not perfect. Some users report bug syncing issues or slow performance after app update, especially on iOS. There are also a complaint about disappearing data, delay in real-time tracking, and limited customer support. So, while data is a great tool for serious investors asking to track their assets in one place, its technical glitches and premium pricing may not be ideal for everyone. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. And that's it.